Welcome back, guys. Another fishing mission. I'm on the river this time, out in the boat. Done a couple of land-based missions recently if you want to check those out. Anyway, looks pretty good. I'm feeling it. Looks like we could get a good early morning bite. Sounder looks pretty solid. I'm happy with the way that's going, so let's not waste too much time. Let's get these lures in the water, start getting some fish on this boat. Gonna start out with these. I bought them the other day from the tackle shop. It's a Duo Versus Shad 4-inch little paddle tail. Looks all right. Just wanted to try it for something different. You always got to be on the lookout for other lures. You don't want to get stuck just using the one lure all the time. Something might work better, you just never know. Anyway, we'll get it in the water, give it a shot. What do we got? 20 past 6. 100% I'll have a Dewey by 7. Probably less. I'll be very surprised if I don't catch one in 10 minutes. Just what I've seen on the sounder looks really good. We are on. $6.28. But I didn't think it'd take long to get one. Just looked really, really good. It's not massive, but they took that new plastic anyway. That's the main thing. Makes me feel better about using it. Very nice. Scoffed it. Beautiful. I was hoping it wouldn't take long. It felt pretty good. And we're on the board. We'll get this lure out and we'll give you a look at the fish. Not massive, guys, but target species acquired. That's on that new Duo plastic. Nice little fish. We'll get this schoolie back in the water. We'll try and catch another one. No complaints there, got one nice and early, so the pressure's off. Let's get back out there, try and catch a couple more. Here we go. Is it staying down deep? Yep. Tell you what, some weight in it. If it's not jagged, there's a fair bit of weight in this. Doesn't feel too bad at all. Second fish on. This one's more staying down deep than the last one. Doesn't mean much, but some fish just have more heart, or they fight a bit differently. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be that much bigger than the last one. Does feel like it's got a bit more weight. We'll see. I definitely felt like they would be on this morning. I looked at the sounder. Sounder looked awesome. Everything looked pretty good. Taking me on a merry dance, that's for sure. Nothing like doing a few laps of the boat early in the morning for a bit of exercise. Best way to have it, I reckon. Fishing. Starting to win the battle a bit now. It's only light line, it's only 10. 10 pound with a 12 pound leader. Right, I'm starting to get it up the top. You can see it on the sounder there. That was it there coming up. It's not bad at all. It's a good fish. Check this one out, guys, an absolute beauty. Way bigger than the last one. Oh, that's an absolute ripper. It's only gone 646. So 2 beautiful dewies, nice and early. That's the lure that's doing the damage. That's that duo, 4-inch. Unreal. Let's get the hook out of this big fella. Get it back in the water. What an absolute champion of a fish. Good fight too for it. Off you go. See you, buddy. Well, 2 nice fish so far on that. No complaints. It's holding up pretty good. Get it back out there. See if we can add a 3rd. Well, it's pretty muggy after the rain. Took the jumper and trackies off pretty early. We're starting to sweat up a bit there. Catching too many too early. Be good if the bite continues. Don't want to get too far ahead of myself, but it's a good start. There we go, we're on again. Hit that spot lock. Oh, how sick is this? Oh, this isn't as big. What is it? little baby one. Well, number 3, just a little soapy, this one. 3 fish, 3 dewies. Gotta love it. Absolutely cracking start out here this morning. I definitely had a gut feel that it looked good. Everything felt right. Water looked nice. Sound looked good. On an untried plastic as well, but sometimes you just get that feeling. I think the more you fish, you do end up getting a good gut feel of what it's going to be like just by what you can see on the water. So far, it's sort of come to fruition that it is going to be a good early morning bite. Either way, I've already got a couple of nice fish on the deck. So even if it goes a bit slower, doesn't really matter. Damage is done, pressure's off. We can just enjoy the rest of the fishing now. Was meant to be pretty windy today, but it's really calm and still. Doesn't look like the rain's going to come back anytime soon, which is nice. Perfect fishing conditions. All right, we picked up another one, another bite. It sort of took it and swam towards me. I didn't even feel like a hit. It just grabbed the lure, swam with me. Change this camera. There. Where is it? Another decent one. How good's this? Another semi-decent one. Well, this lure is absolutely on fire at the moment. Another nice fish. That's number 4. What a start of the morning this is. Couldn't be happier. Love catching dewies, my absolutely favourite thing. What a beautiful fish. Righty Al, thanks for the fight. We'll get that hook out and get you back. Off you go. Well, it's absolutely going off this lure at the moment. Couldn't be happier with it. Hasn't even got a mark on it yet either, which is nice. It's holding up real good. What do we got? 4 fish, 4 dewies. Good start to the morning. Well, I haven't put the hooks in one for about 15 minutes. Probably had 4 or 5 bites, but was unable to set the hook. They didn't all feel big. Couple little taps. I do like to hook everything but that bites it. That never happens. Take the good with the bad. We'll keep plugging away. I think the secret to catching dewies is to have a banana on your boat. Some people don't like them, some people don't care. I'm one of those people that don't care. I think the dewies absolutely love them. They're attracted to bananas. Put as many as you can in the boat. Anyway, I'm going to eat this one. We'll get back into the fishing. There we go. We are on. Finally. Well, when I say finally, it's probably been less than an hour. Doesn't feel too bad. It's another alright fish. Definitely feels good to get the hooks back in another one. We'll sort this fish out and I'll give you a closer look. Righto, finally onto another fish. It's been probably an hour. It's not too bad, I guess. Not really many complaints there, but yeah, it's been about an hour. I've just missed too many bites. So, yeah, I don't know whether it's just slow reflexes or they're just not taking it good. Either way, it's probably a bit of a mixture. Can't get them all. That's another one there. We'll get it back in the water. We'll try for more. What an epic session this is turning out to be. Already a couple of cracking dewies in the boat. It's only early. It's only just going past 8:30. Awesome stuff. Righto. Let's check out this leader and everything. Make sure it's all right. We'll get the lure back out there. Hopefully catch some more fish. Well, I only just turned the camera off. And hooked up literally straight away. Camera beeped and went off. Then bang, fish took it. Not much bigger than a chopper, this fella. Still a fish, still counts nonetheless. Tiny little soap. Soap on a rope. Just a really fine rope. Thanks for coming, champion. Get out of here. Get your dad and your mum. Bring them all. Alright, we got something little on. Oh, another little dewie. That's all I'm catching at the moment. Just little dewies. Well, not all little. This one's certainly little. We'll shake him off. Thanks for coming, buddy. Doesn't want to shake off that easily. Fish is a fish. Get back out there. Get a bigger one. Alright, we're on a fish. Feels like a flatty, but in saying that, I haven't got a flatty all day, so no, another Jewy. There you go. Another little soap. Thanks, buddy. Rightio, time for a quick move. Fish are going a bit quiet here. We'll go up the river and see what we can find. Righto, we'll have a drift along this wall, see if there's anything about. If it doesn't do any good, I'll do a big drift and then I'll go back to the other wall, and if that's no good, I'll head down the river. We got a fish on butt. So, oh no, it's off. That felt like an absolute cracker. Finally got the hooks in one. Well, for now. Oh. Doesn't feel too bad. Feels like a reasonable fish. It's good to actually feel the weight. After missing that last big one, and then missing those couple other good bites, kept me concentration up anyway. Hopefully can make this one stick. I mean, it's not huge, but it's decent. It's better than what I've been getting, which is nothing. Just missed opportunities. Very nice. There you go, mate. Oh. Well, nice to be back onto one. Pulled pretty hard this one. The tide is fair ripping, but he gave a good account for himself, that's for sure. They're such a beautiful looking fish. You can't not love Jewies. Righto, thanks for the fight. Go and get bigger. Well, besides the flies, which there is a lot of, there's more flies than Jewies, don't worry. But it's been absolutely awesome. So let's get the lure back out there. Try and catch another couple. Rightio, we are on. It doesn't feel too bad. Get this camera on at the front here. Is it decent, or I don't know. I can't tell. Back it off half a click anyway, now the hook's in. Well, it's no tiny one. Got some more little head shakes there. It's definitely no giant, but it's still a nice fish. All Jewies are awesome. Well, the Jewy count's starting to catch up to the fly count. There's the net. terrible, Andrew. We're reapplying for a new net buoy soon. Oh, that's a nice one, that one. Well, just as the wind's kicking in, got another absolutely ripping Jewy. Such a fun session out here today catching these, absolutely loving it. Righto, let's get this gorgeous fish back in the water. We'll get back out there, try and catch a couple more. What an epic session this is. Rightio. Nice shower for me. See you, legend. Small one on. Please be something other than a Jewy. Or we got a brim, thank you. Finally caught something other than a Jewy. We've landed ourselves some bycatch. Absolute cracking brim too. He's pretty feisty. Trying to spike me. They are, an absolutely beautiful brim. It's good to get something else on the line. Happy to catch Jewies all day, mind you. But it is good to get something else. Bit of variety. Well, as standard for me, the wind's whipped through a bit, making it a bit hard to fish here, so I'm going to change spots, find somewhere a little bit more protected. At least I've got the fish on the board, so no stress now. I'll just have a look, find somewhere nice, go down there and have a crack. The move hasn't happened yet and I hooked up. Marked a couple of fish at the under the boat, flicked out beside it, and we're on. Gotta love it. I'll try and get this fish go out the back, just so I don't have to listen to the wind straight in the microphone. It's not always easy fishing and juggling cameras. You got to make sure you keep the bend in that rod, because the last thing you want to do is lose a fish, just to make sure the camera's all right. I've got it down to a bit of an art now at least. That's the rod smacking into the gunnel. Where's the net? Right at the front. Feels okay. No, don't do that, Andrew. Nice. Another one to the tally. You probably can't see it, but had beautiful purple hue through this one. Really nice looking fish. Oh, well, caught plenty now. I've lost count. Righto. Off this one goes to the depths. Well, there's some nasty looking clouds out behind me there, so I'm going to call an end to this session. Absolutely epic session. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, certainly helps the channel out. I'll see you guys on the next one.